how to sign up for Sam's Club membership card. The first things first is open up or access any preferred web browser that you can use. And from your search bar, just simply type in Sam's Club card. Now you're gonna be seeing a bunch of results right here, but what we need to go ahead and click is the main link for us to be redirected to Sam's Club Credit official site, which is gonna be this one right here. Now once you're here, all you have to do next is just to click or to find the apply now button. So this is gonna be the benefits that you can get for you to get the membership card. Now if you choose to sign up, just immediately choose or click on apply now. And from here, you should be entering necessary details from your end for you to be able to log in or to sign up without any problems. So from here, if you wanted to apply for a membership number or a membership card, just enter or input necessary details right here. If you are already a member for Sam's Club, then you'll have to enter your membership number, your first and last name, and once everything is set, just head directly to next and just follow along through these steps and process for you to be able to apply successfully for a card. So that's it. That's how you sign in with Sam's Club membership card.